how to send emails to multiple tags through Mailchimp. So right here, I will simply create a new campaign, choose a design very quickly, and I'm going to show you how you can send to multiple tags. So as you can see, if we click on edit recipients, we can send this to and choose tags, but we can only choose one tag at a time through this way. However, there is a workaround. So here we will choose instead new segment. So once we select this new segment option, we will add a filter here and we will select tags for the first filter, and then from this menu we will choose the first tag that we want to send this to our customers, for example, that I have right here. And from the second segment that we've just created, we will again choose tags like so, and then we will choose the second type of tag that we want added. So for example, influencer. And as you can see now, I have added both customer and influencer here. As for my tags, if we review the segment, then it will show us who it's going to send to, and we can just use this segment, and now we will add or send this email to both of our tags that we just added. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.